Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let us solve the value of x from this given question. X plus 6 power of 2 equal to 36. Find the value of x. Solution. X plus 6 power of 2 equal to 36 gives 6 power of 2. X plus 6 power of 2, 6 power of 2, shift to left side, minus 6 power of 2 equal to 0. A power of 2 minus b power of 2 give us a plus b, a minus b times a minus b. Then x plus 6 minus x times a plus 6 plus 6 equal to 0. Equal to 0. This gives us x plus 6 minus 6 times a plus 6 plus 6 give us 0. This 6 minus 6 0. X plus 0 times a plus 6 plus 6 1 or 12 equal to 0. A equals to 0. X minus x plus 0 equal to 0, or x plus 12 equal to 0. X equal to minus 12 is x1 equal to 0 and x2 equal to minus 12 is our solution from or method 2 and x plus 6 power 2 equal to 36 under root x plus 6 power of 2 equal to under root 36 plus or minus. This cancel to this. Then x plus 6 equal to plus or minus under 36 gives 6. X equal to plus 6. This shift to left and right side minus 6. X1 equal to 6 minus 6 0. Or x plus 6 equal to minus 6. X equal to minus 6. This x shift to right side minus x. X2 equal to minus 12. Check it. X plus 6 power of 2 equal to 36. X1 plus 6 power of 36. x1 0. 0 plus 6 power of 2 equal to 36. 6 square equal to 36. 36 equal to 36. And x2 minus 1 plus 6 square equal to 36. x2 minus 12 plus 6 power of 2 equal to 36. This means minus 12 plus 6 minus 6 power of 2 equal to 36. Minus 6 square means 36 equal to 36. Then, therefore, left hand side equal to right hand side. The solution